Well, we went on a motorcycle ride. Believe it or not, we carried all this stuff on my motorcycle, even the boat. And her little boat. I guess we rented a boat at Pinecrest Lake. So we're up here at Pinecrest in the Sierras. And instead of motor biking, we're moto boating. And we even brought a little shade. I'm not sure why. We haven't sat under it at all. That is all the stuff she's got to bring. Oh, where'd she go? She went way out there already. Oh, she's getting in the wind. Yeah, she ain't coming back. I'll probably have to use the boat to go get her. I just caught a fish. My phone was in the pack, so I just let him get off. Took him off. Then I came and got my phone. Got the chair under the shade. It's not really that hot. Once you get in the water and swim around, it actually feels good to be in the sun a little bit. The lake's pretty big. I mean, it's not big, but it's actually bigger than I thought. So way over there is the front beach. And when you get a boat, the lake actually seems a lot bigger than when you just sit on the end of it over there. We've been seeing some thunderstorms or some lightning up over there. That's to the east. Go through here. There's a nice little beach over here. Cool little beach. We actually have our own little beach. Pretty good spot. We can camp here. We just stay the night. We gotta take the boat back though. We rented the boat for 6 hours for 160 bucks. 2 hours was 80 bucks. Or 6 hours for 160. So, whatever. It's her birthday, and this is what she wanted to do. Still cheaper than owning a boat. She's just been floating around out there. I've been throwing her drinks. That's what she wanted to do, so that's what we're doing. But I did catch a fish.
I wonder if the video will come out wavy or if it'll come out normal since it's in my little pouch. Might be rain clouds coming in back there. My floaty. I gotta get back to work. I got fish I gotta go swim with, and I made friends with some trout.
I got a fish. A little smallmouth.
Poor little guy. Put him back.
Smallmouth bass.
All right, he's going back.
All right. Well, we're headed back to the bike. We spent the day back at the back end of the lake here at Pinecrest. Now we're motorboating. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We cruised over by the dam. There's a dam right there. We were back around the corner over there most of the day. You can hear a little bit of thunder and lightning beyond those hills. But it's hot. It's nice and warm. We don't swim it, so we're not hot. It's not a fast boat. It's only got 5 horsepower. It takes a little while. But it's better than walking the trail all the way back to there. There's a trail all the way around this lake. And, yeah, I'm not doing that. tiny lake. And it's her birthday, so she gets to drive. This is her deal. She wanted to do this for her birthday, so I'm letting her drive. Here's where we're headed, to the marina over here. Well, we unloaded the boat. All our stuff back on the bike. I still got to put that on the top. So, was that what you wanted for your birthday?
Yes. That's what I've been wanting for my birthday since last year. Is to go and get a boat and tool around the lake and
Find a beach.
yeah, find a beach and get away from all the people.
Yeah, it was a lot less crowded. Here's the... Well, let's go look at the beach. When we got here today, it was shoulder to shoulder people all through this beach. But we just rented a boat, went to the other side of the lake, and it wasn't near as bad. It was only $160. It was kind of fun. It doesn't look that big from here, but when you go around the corner, and there's like a whole nother section that you don't see from here. So yeah, we're loading the bike, and now we get to ride again. Well, we caught 2 little fish, and now it's time for sushi. Hey, wait for me. Well, we didn't eat my little fish that we caught. We caught 2. So we're gonna eat these little fish. Hey, get off your phone.
I'm shopping for boats.
She's shopping for boats now.
Yeah.
What'd you get, sesame chicken?
Yep.